Okay, on behalf of Inform's the Society for Marketing Science, I'd like to welcome you to the final stage of the 2004 Practice Prize competition. I'm Gary Lillian, Chairman of the Prize Committee, which includes my distinguished colleagues Manfred Kraft, John Little, Lee McAllister, Jagmohan Raju, who's representing the Society Presidency, Jorge Silvariso, and Steve Shugan, representing Marketing Science. A little bit of background: the Society's bylaws state that its purpose is to, quote, foster the development, dissemination, and implementation, and let me stress implementation, of knowledge, basic and applied research, in science and technologies that improve the understanding and practice of marketing. The Society's recognized new scientific developments since 1982 through the John D.C. Little Best Paper Award, and each year since 1990 through the Frank Bass Award for the best paper related to a doctoral dissertation. Beginning last year, the Society added the Practice Prize to recognize the practice and implementation aspects cited in the Society's charter. According to the prize protocol, and let me quote, the Practice Prize is awarded for an outstanding implementation of marketing science concepts and methods. The methodology used must be sound and appropriate to the problem and organization, and the work should have had significant, verifiable, and preferably quantitative impact on the performance of the client organization. Any work completed in recent years is eligible. Prior publication of the work does not disqualify it. In other words, the award is designed to recognize both the rigor of the work along with its focus on relevance and organizational impact. Specifically, the following criteria have driven the selection of finalists and the winner. Implementation, who uses it, for what and how. Impact, both the organizational and what the value of that impact was. Methodological quality, it should be leading edge and appropriate. Technical originality, a uniqueness and what we might call flair. Difficulty, of the problems, of the politics, and technical as well. Transportability, use in other applications and or other organizations, and then something we might call charm, that is, does it have an impact on society or newsworthiness? Well, the Prize Committee reviewed the many excellent entries, each of which describe both the work itself and the impact the work had on the organization. From that set of entries, the committee selected the 4 finalists whose presentations you're about to hear. Each of these finalists has been asked to provide the judges with a full paper of marketing science publication quality, as well as a quantitative statement of the impact from the client. Before I introduce the first of the 4 finalists, I'd really like to thank the Marketing Science Institute and the Brand Science Institute, whose generous sponsorship is helping to make the prize competition and the development and dissemination of the related DVDs that we're preparing right now possible.